The Great Resignation doesn't seem like it was a surprise to you, because perhaps you've been talking a lot about the kinds of issues that have been coming to the surface recently. You've been speaking about them for years. Give me your insights on the Great Resignation.
So the Great Resignation, I'm laughing a little bit right now, because as a former magazine editor, I feel like this is in many ways just a manna from heaven for headline writers and magazine editors to package up material and give it a name and make it, you know, larger than life. Now, it's very real, and it's something clearly that every leader and every organization is grappling with. At the same time, I would say, you could see this coming, in the sense that so many of our organizations are failing employees and communities that they serve, in terms of, you know, everything, go up the whole Maslow's hierarchy, from, you know, basic wages and conditions, you know, peeing in bottles, anyone? Amazon, right? Like,
Right.
we've got the basic end of it, all the way up to, you know, the higher order needs around this sense of belonging, around meaning, around purpose, around impact, all these things that people want out of their work. And so many of our organizations are not designed to, one, take care of the whole human being, and we can unpack that, and two, to really serve and channel those higher order needs to fundamentally unleash all of the human potential inside of them. And that's just sort of a Rubicon issue, I think, and we've crossed it, right? It is now very apparent in terms of outcomes that people are scrambling to deal with, in terms of the Great Resignation, that we've got to deal with this right now.